expected in the next 10 days?
Next 10 days you can plan on the AZ 900. Okay. Focus on that topic because AZ 900 more focus on like more theory concept kind of infrastructure level. So that also will help you. But we if you are focusing on the data, you only need DP 900 itself. Because some more difference is there. Like one is more focusing on the data, some is more focusing on the infrastructure level. So
I saw the one one content in the Agent and YouTube channel. They told like syllabus is updated at the December, I think.
okay. Uh-huh.
Is there any notes for the Agent 900 Devi?
A said DP 900 I checked, but A said 900 I didn't get any. I didn't see that one. So that is the first thing. DP 900 didn't change. A said 900. Let me check. Give me 1 minute. A said 900, right?
Yeah,
Exam. Maybe they are updating every 1 year because fundamentals also. We'll check. I'm checking. Um, Skill is measured as October 28, 2022. 2022. I think after 20 October 28 to 2020, the same syllabus. There is no updation.
I followed one YouTube channel.
I will
DB
share
Sky.
my I will share my screen. Give me 1 minute.
Oh,
Let me know if it is visible or not.
yes, Devi.
Okay, actually I'm taking this one from the Microsoft account. From here you can see the skill measured as of October 28, 2022. This will be the basic concept. And after this one, they changed it into this one, right? October 2022, no change, no change. And this one, the syllabus will be this one. So there is no updation right now.
Okay, Devi. I will plan accordingly.
Yeah, so you can take it from the Microsoft account. It's a guide. I will ping here also this link. So this is currently I'm taking from here. So I think no updation will be there. Otherwise, we can see here. I'm pinging in the chat this link, Kodeshwar. Please check this one. So you can
Okay,
follow this one. That's it.
okay, that's fine.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Anand.
Yeah, Devi.
Anand, how was your?
Actually,
Yeah, tell me.
actually, I am planning to give in the exam in the next week, but the syllabus has changed. Maybe
Uh,
I need to more focus on the new topics right now.
yes. You already to take the booked exam or not?
Actually, I haven't booked it right
Okay,
now.
you haven't booked it, right? Then my
Yes.
suggestion you need to wait at least 1 more week because I will share the screen. Give me 1 minute. In the exam syllabus was changed. So if you
Yes.
take the exam, it will be there's a chances to fail because we don't know what are the new topics will be there, and also that will be the one challenge. I will share my screen. Give me 1 minute. That's why I yesterday I pinged in the group, right? So this is the
Yeah.
because I already know you are planning for this one. So if you take the exam, definitely there's a chances because we need to avoid those chances also. I will share it. Okay, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
visible.
So here it is mentioned like that. Skill measured in the February 6, 2023. This will be like old syllabus, data storage, develop data processing, and all. But after this one, you can see here. No, no, this is the new syllabus. This is the right now in the fifth, right? 5th February. This will be the syllabus, the old syllabus, implement processing and all. Here you can see what are the things. There's some changes, but here after this one skill measured as of February 6, 2023 onwards, this will be the syllabus And what are the changes they make? You can see here, uh, percentage of exam decreased, design the data storage structure removed, partition major added. This one is added. Design and implement data exploration layer added, serving layer removed, physical data storage in structures removed, implement logical data structures removed. These are the, then it is some
Yes.
percentage of increased. Ingest data, this is major one. Batch processing stream. They are added more thing in the major concept. Batch. Most for probably we are using this batch, but they are give more focus on the major and streaming. Manage batches on the pipeline, minor. Then this will be removed. Data security, implement data security
Okay.
removed. And some more thing,
Actually,
tell me.
yeah, Devi, actually, I'm following the dump,
Ah,
but right now, no one will provide the latest question. Is it then?
yeah, is it correct? But we actually after six only, because the next day onwards the new exam, right? We can
Yeah.
purchase only the dams after the six only. After the six means there are 12 type of questions are there. 12 type of question papers are there. So once we
Okay.
clear at least 12 days or 12 days, I think 12 to 15 days only, the exam topic or other certification portal will update it. You got it right. So that will
Yeah.
be the challenge we are facing. I still remember in the 2019, I was take the exam in the same scenario. I was take the exam. I was took the exam in the after changing the syllabus. After the next day or after 2 days of the syllabus, I was failed in my first time in the 2019. So that was the
Okay.
reason I pinged in the group. So because we don't know what are the topic, what are the new things are covered. We are we already learned in the previous syllabus and all, but it will not because new project and new question will be there. So there's a chance. So we need to focus on at least we need to wait at least 10 days. The exam topic and dumps are updated in the portal.
Okay.
You got it
After
right.
6 means you are saying after 6 I will be give the exam after 16th.
After 16, that will be better. Because we can see the exam topics also, they will mention they updated the question in this day, right? So that we need after 6 they will update the question, maybe February 10 or February 15 they mention updated the question this day. So then only
Okay.
we can add this thing, otherwise there is a chance to fail.
Okay.
So we
Okay, I
have
will take the exam after 16th.
that will be better.
Okay.
Meantime, you need to focus on the latest syllabus.
Yeah. I
Late,
will what your suggestion, Devi? I should follow the Microsoft documentation for the newly added point
uh,
or
Microsoft documentation is good, Anand, because they are added
okay.
everything, right? I will one thing I can tell you. Some of the question they will add, but most of the majority question will still remain there. They will add at
Yeah.
least 30 percentage to the with the previous with the 30 percentage or 20 percentage. But the previous you can also practice with the previous. But whatever they mention as major in the uh, document, right? That you need to focus more, like stream, batches, and security
Yeah.
policy and the troubleshooting document. So that we need to focus. And
Yeah.
Microsoft account you can follow. That will be better. If anything I get, any update I got, I will definitely share with you, Anand.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
and
Devi. Thank
yeah,
you.
prepare for that one. And once we get the update, we can take the exam. Otherwise, there's a chance we need to pass in the first time itself. That will be better.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you,
Okay.
Devi.
Thank you, Anand. Yeah. Samir, are you there? Hello, Samir. Am
Yes,
I audible?
yes, 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 Devi.
Yeah. Tell me, Samir. How was your challenge going on?
Just challenge is fine. So right now I am going to give exam on this week.
Okay, which exam?
Yeah,
DP
DP
911.
900.
DP 911.
Yes,
Okay, okay. So
yes,
you prepared, right? Almost.
yes.
Okay, okay. You are in the right track. Actually, you can update 2 days, right? To yesterday and today you didn't update it.
Yes, I will update that.
Yes, it take you up because we need this kind of green lines will really helpful because people are following, right? So Anand, you, I think Vishnu, Avinash. So people are like I can see this tracker. It will happy, and definitely you can clear. Prepare for the dumps also. You already got the dumps right from our
Yes, yes,
drive.
yes.
Yes, so prepare for that one. It will easily when you take the exam date.
Uh, ninth Feb.
9th. Okay, okay, great, great. Yeah, sure. So do that one and let me know how was the exam and
Yes,
all. Okay.
definitely.
Yeah.
I will share.
Sure, sure, sure. Yeah. Um, any doubt, team? Okay. So update the tracker. We can do better in the tomorrow. Also, we can do, and I will update you. Whatever the things I got, I will update you.
Okay, okay, okay,
Okay.
Devi.
Yeah. Thank you, team, joining for this one. Thank you. We can connect again.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye, Devi. Bye
Bye,
for now.
bye,
Thank
Vishnu.
you.
Bye.